Hey, Una, welcome back. That time when I dey watch that go, I beg. These people just dey kill me for year. You get plenty things so those people talk for them. No. Somebody say it depends. You shout.
Hey, yes, that's what I'm saying. It depends on the club.
No. Now, the point where I get.
We don't know now. Maybe the girl which I can date now. Maybe now one of those guys will help am those days for
Peckers. You know, for Peckers.
Yes.
Those days.
True love can come in any form.
Please ignore some of these things you are hearing. Now, you get one point I really pick. Say basically say we have crowd day. Say you know if we get true love. The guy even mention market and the rest because normally noise they if you maybe inside club you and girl they say hey no music they play gba. Afana I love you. Why you love me? Say okay. More go see my mama now. You say? Okay now. Oh yeah now later now give me your number. So they go hard because love nothing in the talk gently. Love is tender.
That is why they use money. They carry the girl come for the club, reach a house. You know. They don't go discuss what they want to discuss.
But basically for me, you know, say maybe we even talk like this. We don't see several marriages where we say now from that kind of setting.
I never see.
Like, I don't see.
Okay.
I don't see two.
I don't hear, but I never see.
I don't see two for Sunday. I don't see the couple.
I don't friend one to an extent.
Now there we be say.
I see here now. You see why it's so supportive of the small club.
You talk from the origin and say when a career starts, now Indomie they buy for them for Peckers. They use a career enter. Beautiful. So he must know their pattern to know how to handle them. Now acquire them correct, Abi.
So you say if you come here,
because because I remember when I also started.
You know, say let me go now. Me and you, now we always do for this bar.
No, because I remember when I started. You know, those clubs themselves. You get the ones people outside they go those days to go perform. Now these babes themselves they help me and although me I don't buy noodles for them. No, I don't buy noodles for them.
But they help you.
They help me somehow, but I did not fall in love with them.
You say help us somehow.
Yes.
That was my brother.
They perform
help or again.
Yes, my brother. They perform for a shower before I attack. Two of them go carry me go corner, come crack on joke. Funny.
But really, you know.
See now, you know the disadvantage of meet girl for club, make you marry her. You know, the girl one girl, the club girl, now really heavy as show. You understand? She come finally, she meet one guy for club, the guy marry her. They reach house. The wedding night, after the guy don't wipe, early morning when she wake up,
it's supposed to be your honeymoon night.
Tap the guy, say, hello, John, I beg you my money, I want to go. And I say, You know, before she remember, say, oh, now, what did she do? Sorry. Only please.
So they try to tell us that, say, now, inbuilt thing. You know they come out for money.
The attitude. In a nutshell, I'm trying to say that for you to marry girl where you see for club, nah, I won't quite agree with the lemon. Look the club.
Yeah. You know, let your standard be high. You know, just like with the pick girls them, you know, you look at say, no, this one no go school. You know, this one go primary, this one go secondary school. You know, it can be like that for club too. Don't go and pick a girl from Gitalori. No. That's no.
Ugo, but a girl can't look at me again. Those big clubs, you get responsible girls where they go just to go chill.
Yeah.
You go hard, make you see responsible girls. Go any of these local clubs.
No, there you go.
Responsible girls.
They go buy suya and you they walk up. Oh God. Maybe they go buy suya.
Why?
No, now. Oh, if you see somebody they say suya.
Not true.
You don't want me to go there like when they just walk and sit down. Just that the environment can't influence everything. You can't know who they good girl or not.
They try to see how they
and you can't go be girl like say they chop suya like shingom. Now one of them.
Let me say, if good girl go local clubs, let me say, no be big babe now. See local environment.
I feel you.
But you know, say person good girl for local area, mama no allow go club.
No, how?
But good girl for big man area, they fit tell their mom.
Yeah, they're good. I'm hanging out with my friends.
Yes.
No,
different
family ideologies, you know.
Don't be saying this for poverty guy, they say rap something. Poverty no fit allow your girl daughter say, ma, I got club.
Because I got them with my friend. The man go look up. Yeah. I don't know. Which club? It's all that quick room. It's in a club. Come on, sit down here. Oh, just imagine saying that you go back to your way. Bye, man. mo ti fọbọ́ mo ti fasọ mo ti gbálẹ̀ n fẹ́ jáde n fẹ́ lọ club pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi afẹ́ abẹ́rẹ́ jó díẹ̀ ń padà wá títí 4 láàárọ̀.
níbo ọ̀nà kílọ̀bù sọ ti kàwé àlùbọ́sà ti yára ẹbẹ̀ lẹ́mẹ̀ o sọ ti gbé jáde kí ni mo sọ gan you know that kind of thing poverty na very very crazy thing but I believe say different set of people na dey always go club. So if you just jam on normal babe, fresh girl, sexy, looking good,
my brother, all the girls they come my life club.
And now, see. You know, say nowadays, it don't even dey easy to make good girl for club because you know, say in those days, 9 people they do birthday for house. Nowadays, birthday don't shift go club.
Even wedding anniversary, some people they don't have for club.
So many birthday they go see normal good girl go invite our friends. We be say that some girls they club for the first time because their friend they do birthday for the club. I don't meet them well. You understand? They just tell their parents say their friend birthday, won't go their friend birthday, they come permit them. So if you meet that kind of girl for club,
something can
wait. Make we categorize. You know what are they talking about? The type of clubs is. You see, there's a club where they go where they show blue film.
Not true. No, except you go club for beach. But this that women area, you got where are they come? I don't go with names. I remember them. They go place where they enter bus for. Where I don't go if you pass. And then if you pass here,
why that?
Like
I mean, you know the place.
I think you don't go where.
Ido, I be something like that.
Okay, Ido.
Where all those big boss where they go north.
Ido.
You get place there where you say you dey wait for your boss, so you want travel, you can't go up and watch blue film. You can't go enter night bus. Guess he don't hear you. What the woman do? Not be one guy tell the wrong one guy when sit down here and go blue film wey no work. He might don't come out. Na so conductor all lights. Then the girl hold his hand. Oyoshi. They're going to beat the guy innocently. For the guy to come admit, say, no, Mr. I want thief. Na lap at the rope. When you carry your hand go there, he say na sleep.
Na your lap.
He say na sleep, na dream.
Abeg, make we chapari do sisi opinion, make we hear wetin our women them gas talk on top this matter. It dey very spoofing. You fit find true love for club? Abeg, we dey come back, dey take am.
Not at all. I don't believe in that.
It depends on individual. Yes, if it's...
No, I don't think so. I will find love.
Yeah, we find true love for inside club.
In the club?
It all depends on what our intentions be, depending on what we want.
No, not at all.
People they talk say, you know, if you find good girl for inside club, but the thing is say, everything depends on the mindset.
My own opinion, okay, to me, I feel it's not possible.
Sha never can tell. Person will find love anywhere, Sha.
If the person get the quality way you want, and it's possible, it is possible. If the person get what you want for the love, as in the appearance and all that, if now what you want, it is possible now.
But for me, I don't know. I don't think I will find love there.
Waiting they go there, go do. Share and love you won't find. And if you see person self where you like for inside club, but depend on the individual, waiting both of them want. So not be say you know if you find or you know if you see that kind of thing. You know if it happen or if it happen, depending on the individual, waiting they want.
You know they're possible because many people when they go there, maybe they go for maybe fun or money. Ladies going for money, so not at all. I don't think so.
Yes, now welcome back. Now see BOBOS every day, and as your opinion, and I just say so. If you just join us, well, you don't miss plenty. You don't miss because at first they don't arrest showman because of woman matter. Secondly, we have the one and only Eledu in our battle today. It follow the jollificate sense, and the matter with
as in No, the matter today, the team makes sense.
We are organized.
No, the matter, see, you cannot look for it. Anyway, move on.
Yes, Sabi, what I will talk about, and we will still talk about now. Say if you find true love for club,
You fit?
You fit. Would they ask you now?
Onye?
You fit.
You get broom gacha true love na club.
You're gonna be the barman for this bar. You fit.
You get make mba.
So the man said you get away love for this club.
Nah, nobody.
But seriously.
Nobody. But me one girl mu tan no buru no hibi.
My friend.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Ah, wait,
Before club starts.
If not that one, I will fall in love with you.
The girl black figure 8, you know, the whole.
No, that's gonna be it.
You know
the figure 8.
You know that's small dance.
5'8", mba na all 5.
You know that small dance why that's with the girl. They say this thing no go school. They know. We don't already they. You know. When they dance together, they want to. You know what will be the problem? You know why people they feel say they are jollo they rise for club. The guy just want to see what they happen. Not be saying they find anything. In they hear music, and then something they hit the head. Something they hit the head.
So you just observe.
You just come outside, look, waiting the apple.
Waiting the apple.
But seriously, me, I believe so if you find true love for clubs because it gets some girls we be saying you go see for club. You go know say this no be club girl. Understand?
True.
And she fine, she get the character. No, you know if you know character immediately for club. Charisma, you know, she get the swag. She's beautiful, and then some they sound intelligent. You get some if you get some shower where you go see, you go the show. You go ask and say, why you even do this shower? You don't meet a shower say, no, excuse me, I don't want to take
No, wait. You say you meet your girl for club. For me, I don't think so. Because it depends on background. Like the kind of background I grew up for. My mama they tell me when I grow up, say, if you bring away no fire, reach me for this house. That will go sleep outside.
Your ma, I believe this way talk say she feed one.
My mama, So my question I want to ask you now be say, just imagine say you don't come marry this girl where you meet for club. They call maybe like one conference or one couples night out. They come they ask people, they come ask you so how did you guys meet? Because you know say if you MC that way you go see people wedding advice say I remember I was traveling to the UK and I met my wife at the first class lounge. You know, she was about taking something, a boarding pass fell on the ground and I helped her pick it up. So when you go talk? Maybe like on a 25 years, on a silver jubilee now. I don't go say, I remember when I did, you know, I go by street, I forget a lot.
Get out. I don't meet people. One man don't talk for their 50th birthday. Say when they say, nah, party we invite, you know, say club. You say party we invite and go.
Hello, don't change the context of this our discussion today. Our discussion is, can you find love in club? No, party different from club.
But at the same time, I see one man and they have intelligent ashawo with the club.
Because so your silver jubilee now, can you say it that, come on, we met at Chutalori?
Why not? Sure. Because if person feel talk say he meet his wife for Facebook. Like
no, that one different from
hello.
That one different.
It's Facebook.
It's Facebook.
But you still get close, you know.
Facebook
I get close.
You still
Facebook
get
you don't get any close.
You still get close.
No.
I get close.
No. You know if you just come and now they say, you know, we met for Facebook. Or we meet for
why
to
you
go.
know what
So what did they tell me now? They say you fit tell people now say I meet my wife or why not? No, now they ask you.
You know how many people
Answer my question.
Answer the question.
You know how many people meet
Answer the question.
For why not? They change that to airport.
Question. I mean, no, people don't spoil. What do you want to spoil? I beg.
You will bring this word, don't spoil it. If I say make thunder fire you, they'll say I don't talk about that.
Just let thunder have his way.
Simple.
That is all.
It just be like this way talk like just be like person when you wake up all those people they smoke igbo. We go say so they go now ma pick 5 million for God. Who all lost am?
No. 5 million. I will tell people for small million. Man, you want this? One guy they chop akara, they go for road. They buy akara, they waka, they go, they chop. So he don't chop finish squeeze the paper. Apparently change their hand for here. Akara paper they have mistakenly now into the one they left out. For inside kana. How much? 20 naira. As the guy against process say, eh? Now 20 naira. If you see where this guy drive enter water, they follow 20 naira. I think he put the my transport. Now people want lost money.
And I throw those days when they go primary school. I don't really speak money. I remember.
I don't pick
So
on them.
they-
I don't 5 naira.
No, to 1 naira note.
All those 1 naira notes.
So they come they warn us that and say
If you pick, you talk to yam.
You turn
to yam.
If you don't turn to yam, you turn to.
You go see
fowl.
children,
Turn to goat. You go sit on top.
Me when we stubborn, you get the day where I see 5 naira notes. I couldn't remember those turn to this thing. Me quick. And I saw I piece on top inside. Even if juju on top, the juice will cover your face. When you using it.
Unless it's the juju dirty.
Elenu, thank you say you find time show up for our back.
No, it's my time. It's fine.
Sharply. You fit find true love for club?
No,
Final answer.
I can't.
Make sure you pay for your drink before you come on. And so bring us got a drink. They drink our drink. They turn put.
No, I not be fine true. Na serious topic.
It will guess. Get a no
Na serious
I
topic.
tell you, say no call Elenu.
Catch your phone. Good night. Good night.
Na serious topic.
I'm
I see.
Oh yeah, take the neck on the apple, leave me room, kitchen, oh yeah, point and kill. Tonight to feel my skills. Yeah. Gift, come make I give you a gift. That's where you will love me the gift. First on your neck I go kiss, then on your waist I go shift. All through the night we repeat. Tonight girl we go dancing, till I suffer me, till I suffer you. You go speak the truth. You go to cry, yeah.